Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something truly special to talk about: the DURAMIC 3D PLA Plus Filament. This PLA Plus filament is making waves in the 3D printing community, and for good reason. It's considered one of the best PLA Plus filaments available, and here's why. First off, this filament is known for its premium quality. It's made in the USA from high-purity raw materials by NatureWorks, a trusted name in the industry. That means you can expect top-notch performance. What sets the DURAMIC 3D PLA Plus apart is its incredible strength. It boasts 8 times the impact strength of regular PLA, making it perfect for printing functional models that require extra toughness. Now, let's talk about packaging. DURAMIC 3D has upgraded their spools to cardboard, which is not only eco-friendly but also comes with dual stickers for easy sorting and recycling. So, you're not just getting quality filament, you're also contributing to sustainability. Printing can be a hassle if your filament keeps jamming. But fear not. This filament features patented jam-free technology and is vacuum-sealed with desiccant to prevent clogging and bubbling. Smooth printing, guaranteed. DURAMIC 3D PLA Plus doesn't just offer quality, it offers variety too. You can choose from over 20 different colors and nearly 30 color combinations, making it a cost-effective choice for your creative projects. No one likes tangled filaments. DURAMIC 3D takes care of that with meticulous winding and a storage hole to prevent tangling after use. It's the little details that make a big difference. When it comes to 3D printing, accuracy is crucial. This filament boasts impressive dimensional accuracy, ranging from 99.9% plus or minus 0.04 mm to 99% plus or minus 0.03 mm, ensuring your prints turn out exactly as intended. What can you expect in terms of performance? Well, this filament delivers a relatively glossy finish, low shrinkage, advanced layer adhesion, enhanced impact strength, bending strength, and elongation at break. It's a powerhouse of a filament. In conclusion, the DURAMIC 3D PLA Plus filament is a game-changer in the world of 3D printing. With its premium quality, strength, and a range of colors to choose from, it's no wonder why it's becoming a favorite among 3D printing enthusiasts. But remember, it's not just about the filament, it's also about the experience. DURAMIC 3D ensures a hassle-free printing process with its jam-free technology and tangle-free winding. Whether you're a seasoned 3D printing pro or just starting out, this filament is a solid choice for your next project. So, make sure to check it out and take your 3D printing game to the next level. That's all for today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product insights. Until next time, happy printing!